Okay, SoFi again. Keep an eye on SoFi. I've already posted the hot stock picks for you guys. Let's go over them real quick. You can see a ton of volume came into ARDS, also WLGS. This is another one to keep an eye on. WLGS right here, you guys want to be watching for that break of 228, but you can see a ton of resistance is going to be here at 224. See it right here? It stopped every time it's touched it. Here, 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 and working its way back up. All right. But definitely be keeping an eye on WLGS today. Do you guys see that one?
Yeah.
ARDS, this one's starting to fade. You can see the Elliott down here is also showing fade. But as soon as this gets volume, because it's at one, it's already at its average day volume right now. So if this gets more volume, you could have a nice pop from that, okay? View Kia, view view VQS also getting some decent volume here. This one though, I wouldn't be watching until well above VWAP. So really the critical level on this one is going to be around this 42.7. Oops, that just moved. Hold on. Yeah, right here. 42.98. So really about 43. And the reason I got this one is if you look in here, here, and here, that's going to be a critical level. So anything from here to here, you could collect, but it is going to be a little bit more dangerous until you're above 43. That's going to be your VQS. Same thing here though with MRKR. You can already see we've got a triple top here in the pre-market. It's already at the triple top now. As long as it stays above VWAP, breaks this 1943, you're going to have a move back up here to 2. As you guys know, 2 is going to be your natural resistance because it's a whole number. So if, big if, but if, put this on your chart, if MRKR can break $2, you should have a nice run on that, okay? We'll see what it does. Just needs volume. It's already up 42%. It's very cheap. It's a penny stock, meaning anything under $5. You could have something really nice there today. VTGN, same thing here on VTGN. You got 3 million volume, so it's already almost at its average day volume. Keep an eye on this. I'd really be watching for the break right here, which is around 0.21 cents, almost 0.22. If it does, this might be the move for you guys. It'll be above VWAP. You'll get some room. Again, just be careful from VWAP up to 21.6. Let's see. Now this one's a new one that's popping off just now, starting to get some decent volume. Let me look at it though. It's only 186. I saw this early this morning. We're gonna put this on our radar because if this starts to get any type of volume again, this could really move because it's got such a low float. So keep an eye on this one today as well. JEWL. I saw it in here earlier this morning. We're gonna have to really keep an eye on that one though.
Yeah,
TRV, of course, we've had that in our hot stock picks. Go ahead.
I was going to say they acquired a stake in artificial intelligence solutions provider Next Gen AI. That's why they're popping, it looks like.
Yep. So hopefully that'll be a nice one. Previous hot stock pick here as well, BRFS. We're going to put that on our watch list for today. It just now started to get a little bit more volume here at this very end. We'll keep an eye on that. I'm adding that now. Just be careful of that. Now this one might be, like you said here, Mitch, this one might be a good one to actually scoop up a Danny DeVito toe while it's sitting here on VWAP at 32%. It's at 250K. It's almost double its normal average, and there it goes. Somebody's listening.
Yeah.
But this one might be a decent one. Like I'm gonna scoop up a very small amount here, just to have something, just to have some skin in the game. So right here, so basically I put in $635. Listen, if this thing pops up 50 cents, I made 300 bucks. If this thing drops right 50%, which would be over the day, well, then I'm only going to be out 300 bucks. So this is one of those, I can set it, forget it, not really worry about it. Again, it's always better to try to dabble with some, like you guys might do, 10 or 100 or whatever you're comfortable with, if it even makes sense. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. If it's not the trade for you, don't worry about it. But this is one of those, again, like I said, I can set this, even if this pulled back. Like if this thing lost, think about it. If this lost 30%, it's going to be 30 cents, right? 150 bucks is my risk. If it loses every cent it's made since pre-market, I'll lose 150 bucks.